To create a Google form on an Android mobile device, start by searching for Google Forms in your browser or Google search bar. Select the first link that appears. Then log into your account if you haven't already. If you're already logged in, click on Go to Forms to proceed to the Google Forms homepage. On the homepage, you'll see a tab where you can enter the name of your Google form. And below that, you can add your first question. Next to the question, you'll see a multiple choice option. Click on this to access a drop-down menu where you can select the type of answer you want, such as short answers. To make the question required, toggle on the Required option at the bottom right-hand side of the tab. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a toolbox with a plus icon on the bottom left-hand side. Click on this to add a new question. Repeat the process of writing the question, selecting the type of answer, and making the question required if necessary. To view the responses to your Google form, click on the Response option at the top of the screen. Next to the Question tab, you can also access the settings for your Google form by clicking on the Settings option. In the settings, you can scroll down to the Responses section and click on Collect Email Address to require respondents to enter their email address. To share your Google form, click on the arrow icon at the top right-hand side of the screen, which will give you 3 options: sharing via email, copying the link, or other methods. You can copy the link and paste it into a new tab or email to share it with others. This allows you to create and share Google Forms directly from your mobile device, making it a convenient option when you don't have access to a laptop.